Hi, I'm Vince and welcome to Vince Tech Reviews. Today I'll show you how to silence incoming message notifications on your Galaxy S25 Ultra so you can receive messages without sound or vibration for a quieter, less disruptive experience. To get started, tap the Home key to return to the home screen. Then open the Messages app. Once inside, go back to the main messages list and tap the profile icon at the top right. Select Messages settings from the options that appear. From there, tap Notifications, then go to Notification Categories. Choose Incoming Messages, where you'll see the option to set your notifications as either alert or silent. If you want to receive messages without any sound or vibration, choose Silent. Otherwise, select Alert to hear an audible notification whenever a message comes in. After making your selection, you can tap the back key or the home key to return to the home screen. Now you know how to easily adjust your message notification settings for a more peaceful messaging experience. If you found this guide helpful, please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.